Now we come on secondary sex organ. Which includes duct system and accessory glands. Okay, first, duct system. We have read testis is divided into testicular lobules, and each lobule contains 1 to 3 coiled tubule called seminiferous tubule, which is a structural and functional unit of testis. The last short segment of each tubule, called tubuli recti, opens into rete testis. Rete testis. तो फर्स्ट डक्ट क्या हुआ? रेटी टेस्टिस. From rete testis, near about 6 to 12 thin tubules comes out from testis, which conduct a sperm, which are produced in seminiferous tubule, comes out through these ducts called vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia opens into a single convoluted duct, lies at posterior surface of testis, is called epididymis. तो पहले रेटी टेस्टिस, वहां से निकला भासा एफरेंसिया ओपन्स इनटू सिंगल कन्वोल्यूटेड डक्ट कॉल्ड एपिडिडाइमिस. इस तरह से डक्ट जो है टेस्टिस के बाहर आ गया. अभी तक जो डक्ट पर है वह टेस्टिस के अंदर था, सो कॉल्ड इंट्राटेस्टिकुलर डक्ट. एपिडिडाइमिस कंटिन्यूज as a duct called vas deferens. This is called vas deferens, which ascend into abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity and loop over urinary bladder. That is urinary bladder. That is urinary bladder. Vas deferens receives duct from accessory gland called seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle. After receiving duct from seminal vesicle, it forms a duct called ejaculatory duct. यानी भास डिफरेंस और सेमिनल वेसिकल के डक्ट जब दोनों ज्वाइन हो जाते हैं, मिल जाते हैं, तो जो डक्ट बनता है इसको कहते हैं इजेकुलेटरी डक्ट. ओके, इजेकुलेटरी डक्ट passes through other accessory glands called prostate gland. Called prostate gland. ये कौन सा ग्लैंड है? Prostate gland. And as you know, the duct of urinary bladder is called urethra, and this ejaculatory duct opens into urethra through prostate gland just after emergence from urinary bladder. Urinary bladder से जो ही urethra निकलता है उसके ठीक बाद ये जो ejaculatory duct है आकर urethra में खुल जाता है. ओके, A little ahead, थोड़ा आगे बढ़ने के बाद इसमें एक और एसेसरी ग्लैंड जिसका नाम काउपर्स ग्लैंड या बल्बो यूरेथ्रल ग्लैंड है, ये आकर खुल जाते हैं, इसका डक्ट खुल जाता है. दैट इज बल्बो यूरेथ्रल ग्लैंड. ओके, नाउ यूरेथ्रा passes through external genitalia, male external genitalia called penis, and opens at their tip. Opens at their tips through external opening called urethral meatus. Testis lies in scrotum. Okay, क्या क्या देखे डक्ट सिस्टम में? लास्ट शॉर्ट सेगमेंट ऑफ seminiferous tubule opens into a duct called रेटिटेस्टिस. ये क्या है? रेटिटेस्टिस. रेटिटेस्टिस opens into epididymis through 6 to 12 thin duct called vasa efferentia. called vasa efferentia. Actually, vasa efferentia conduct sperms which are produced in seminiferous tubule to outside the testis. Conduct a sperm outside of testis. Okay. Actually, epididymis is single convoluted tubule which continues as vas deferens and vas deferens ascends into abdominal cavity and loop over urinary bladder. Ascends into abdominal cavity and loop over urinary bladder. Okay. Now vas deferens receives duct from seminal vesicle and form another duct called ejaculatory duct. It receives duct from seminal vesicle and form ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct. This ejaculatory duct passes through prostate gland and opens into urethra. Opens into urethra just after emergence from urinary bladder. Ejaculatory duct passes through prostate gland and opens into urethra just after emergence from urinary bladder. Okay, just after emergence from urinary bladder. A little ahead, it receives duct of another gland called bulbourethral gland or Cowper's gland. It receives duct of prostate gland and a little ahead duct of Cowper's gland or bulbourethral gland. Now urethra passes through external genitalia penis and opens at their tip through external opening called urethral meatus. urethra passes through penis and opens at tip as external opening called urethral meatus. Okay, so these are ducts of male reproductive system. Reti testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, and urethra. These all ducts constitute duct system. Okay, लेबलिंग देखो, बतलाना, समझना ठीक से। सेमनीफेरस ट्यूबुल का शॉर्ट सेगमेंट ट्यूबली रेक्टी होता है और ये खुलता है डक्ट में जिसका नाम है रेटी टेस्टिस। Okay? Reti testis. Your reti testis comes out from testis through vasa efferentia. Okay? Vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia opens into a single convoluted duct called epididymis. Epididymis, which lies posterior surface of testis. That means that is located outside the testis, and reti testis, vasa efferentia inside the testis. So these are called intratesticular duct, and from epididymis it is called extratesticular duct. Testis के बाद epididymis continues as this duct called vas deferens, which ascends into abdominal cavity and loop over urinary bladder and receives duct from seminal vesicle and for ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct. This is ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct passes through prostate gland and opens into urethra just after emergence from urinary bladder. Okay? Urethra receives duct from prostate gland and a little ahead, थोड़ा आगे जाने के बाद also receive duct from bulbourethral gland. Okay? Now urethra passes through penis and opens as external opening called urethral meatus. तो ये सारे डक्ट मिलकर और मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के डक्ट सिस्टम को कंस्टिट्यूट करते हैं, जिसमें एक कर रेटी टेस्टिस, भासा एफरेंसिया, इपिडिडाइमिस, भास डिफरेंस, इजेकुलेटरी डक्ट और यूरेथ्रा आते हैं। इतने सारे डक्ट को कहते हैं डक्ट सिस्टम। ओके, चलो स्क्रीनशॉट करो। Okay. क्या हुआ? Now come on accessory glands. There are three types of accessory glands in male reproductive system. One pair semivesicle, that is lateral view of reproductive system, that means paired structure. तो one pair seminal vesicle, इधर भी होगा उसी तरह से. One prostate gland, and third one pair bulbourethral glands. These three types of reproductive glands constitutes male reproductive accessory glands. Okay, one pair seminal vesicle, which are located on either side of urinary bladder. Second, one prostate gland, and third, one pair bulbourethral gland. Okay, the secretion of these glands is called seminal plasma. What is called? Seminal plasma. Seminal plasma is secretions of accessory glands, which mainly constitute fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. Okay, seminal plasma mainly contains fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. Actually, this secretion provides nutrition and medium to swim sperms into female reproductive system. ओके, स्पर्म यहां प्रोड्यूस हुआ, कैरी होते हुए जब यहां आता है तो सेमिनल वेसिकल का सिक्रीशन उससे ऐड कर जाता है, फिर जब यहां आता है तो प्रोस्टेट का सिक्रीशन, फिर यहां आता है तो बल्बो यूरेथ्रा। इस सिक्रीशन से स्पर्म्स को न्यूट्रिशन मिलता है, प्लस जब इसका ट्रांसफर फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में होता है तो इसी ये मीडियम का भी काम करते हैं, मीडियम भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जिसके कारण जो स्पर्म्स होते हैं वह स्विम कर और ओवम तक पहुंचते हैं जहां उसका फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है। तो इट प्रोवाइड्स न्यूट्रिशन टू स्पर्म्स एज वेल एज मीडियम टू स्विम स्पर्म्स इनटू फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। ओके, सेमिनल प्लाज्मा, seminal plasma which is secretion of accessory glands when mixed with sperms. This mixture is called semen. Okay, so semen is actually mixture of seminal plasma and sperms. So these are accessory glands of male reproductive system. Now last organ of male reproductive system is penis. It is male external genitalia. Male external genitalia. Actually, penis is made up of erectile tissue. Erectile tissue and helps in erection. Due to made of erectile tissue, it helps in erection of penis during insemination. Insemination means transfer of semen into female reproductive tract. Insemination means transfer of semen into female reproductive tract. So for insemination, erection of penis is necessary, and this erection is facilitated by erectile tissue. Okay, the large tip of penis is called glans. Large tip of penis is called glans. That is glans, and it is covered with loose fold of skin called foreskin or prepuce. Glans is covered with loose sheath of skin called foreskin or prepuce, and that is the end of male reproductive system. Male reproductive system constitute three types of organs, sex organs: primary sex organs, secondary sex organs, and external genitalia. Those sex organs which produce male gametes or sex hormones are called primary sex organ. In male, these functions are carried out by testes. So, testis is primary sex organ of male. Testis located into a scrotum outside the abdominal cavity, and the structural and functional unit of testis is seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubules, which is lined by two types of cells, constitute germinal epithelium. The two types of cells are spermatogonia and Sertoli cell. Spermatogonia divides and produce sperms, and Sertoli cell provide nutrition in shape of sperms. Duct system and accessory glands constitute secondary sex organ. Duct system starts from rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, and finally urethra, which opens outside through urethral meatus. Okay? Accessory glands includes one pair seminal vesicle, one prostate gland, and one pair bulbourethral glands. The secretion of these glands are collectively called seminal plasma. The main constitution of seminal plasma are fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. Actually, seminal plasma provides nutrition to sperms, and also provides medium to swim sperms into female reproductive tract. Seminal plasma and sperms forms mixture which is called semen. Okay? External genitalia, male external genitalia is penis, which is made up of erectile tissue which facilitates erection of penis for transfer of semen into female reproductive tract, called insemination. Okay? The large tip of penis is called glans, which is covered with loose sheath of skin called foreskin or reuse. Okay? Now we have to read about female reproductive system.